Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen, we are going to make a mind-refreshing ginger tea. If you like tea so much, you will definitely like this video too. Let's get started. To make a ginger tea, we need a piece of ginger. Now I'm going to crush the ginger. This much of ginger is enough to make 2 cups of tea. Switch on the stove and place one saucepan. Now I am going to add 1.5 tumblers of water and 3 teaspoons of tea powder. Add the crushed ginger also. Mix it. Let it be boiled for 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes over, the tea steeped very well. So that I am going to add 1.5 tumblers of milk. Give a nice mix. Once it comes to boiling point, slow the flame and it will be boiled for 2 to 3 minutes. Now 3 minutes over, we are getting an awesome fragrance from the tea. Finally, I am going to add 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. Finally, give a nice mix. Now it's a final boiling point. That's all. Switch off the stove. Now I'm going to strain the tea. We are getting a good color and nice fragrance, and its taste will definitely lift your mood. Tea contains antioxidants and it also relieves stress and headache. Now our perfect ginger tea is ready to serve. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Now I'm going to have my cup of tea. You can also have it. Thank you. Bye bye.